Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create a whiteboard canvas in React application. So let's get started. So here inside the app function, let me define here the user app for canvas. We have to initialize this variable with a null. After that, let me define here the use states for is drawing current stroke and the strokes is drawing, that is by default false, current stroke, that is by default an empty array, strokes, that is by default an empty array. Now I'm going to import here use state from React. After importing it, I'm going to define here the function that for start drawing. Now inside this function, I'm going to set here drawing state to active. After that, we have to get here the mouse position relative to canvas. So the variables are offset x and the offset y. After getting a mouse position, we have to start a new stroke with first point by setting current stroke. Inside this, we have to pass here offset x and the offset y. Second function, I'm going to define here that for draw. Inside this function, first I'm going to add here the if condition where we have to check is drawing use state. If it's true, then we have to return the function. After the if condition, we have to get a current mouse position and add a point to stroke. So the variables are offset x and the offset y. After that, we have to call here the use state set current stroke, and we have to add a new stroke in the previous stroke. Third function, I'm going to define here that for and drawing. So as you can see, the arrow function that for and drawing. Inside this, let me call here the use state set is drawing. Inside the argument, we have to pass here the false to turn off the drawing mode. After that, I'm going to add here the if condition where we have to check if a current stroke dot length greater than 0. Then I'm going to create an object of stroke where the keys, points, color and the width. After creating the object, I'm going to send stroke to server via WebSocket. So we are calling this method from client ref.current. Inside this, we have the destination /app/draw body that we have stroke that is in the form of json.stringify. After sending stroke to server, I'm going to call here the use states that we have set strokes and the set current stroke. We have to add the stroke into the previous strokes by calling the use state set strokes, and we have to set the current stroke. After defining these functions, I'm going to add the HTML code inside the return statement to create the whiteboard canvas. So as you can see, a tag for div. On this, we have the styling properties. Inside this, we have the tag for h1 with a caption collaborative whiteboard. After that, we have the tag for div. Inside this, I'm going to add here the section for whiteboard where we have the tag for div. Inside this, we have the tag for canvas. On this tag, we have the property ref with a value canvas ref. Second, we have width. Third, we have height. Fourth, we have style. Fifth, we have on mouse down. On this event, we are calling it a function start drawing. Second event that for on mouse move, where we are calling it a function draw. And on the last two events, we are calling it the function and drawing. Now you can take a look of app component. Let's navigate to the browser. Let me open here the inspect. Let's go to the console. As you can see, we got here the error. Color is not defined on the line 58. Let me check what is the issue. Let me define the use state for color on the top. The default color that will be a black. Let's go back to the browser. As you can see, error removed. So that's all for now from my side. Thanks for watching.